How to install Netflix in mobile device. If you have iOS, then open your App Store. But if you own Android, then open Play Store on your device. Once you are on your App Store or Play Store, on the searching bar, search for Netflix. There you will see Get option. Once you hit on that, you will see Open option. Once it gets installed, you will see Open. Before that, you will see Get button. Once you see Open, simply hit on Open, then your Netflix will be open. Now you have to log into your account by hitting on the sign in from the top right. From here, hit your email address and password, and then you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.